missing on stage right now? Who is missing on stage right now? We can't hear you. Who is missing down on stage right now? People out there, who do we missing right now? You guys ready to invite Doraemon? I tell you what, everybody from down here, behind there, up there, make some noise and invite Doraemon! Okay, now once again guys, do you guys want to see them dancing? Your kids? Okay, where is your parents? Where is the parents? Where's the parents? Yes, the mommy and daddy below. Come on, where is this boy's parents? Only one? Guys, make some noise for your son. He's up here on stage. Come on, support him. Okay, you're gonna be in between here. Okay, you're gonna be between here, right? Alright then. Okay. Where is Jason, right?